here I can focus. The time is 3:07. Hi, this is Apple with Apple1221. We just received another box here. Again, I have the address removed due to personal. So let's get this box unboxed. Again, as usual, I've removed the address due to personal information. Let's read this time because this is where it came. The iPhone case, and I'm going to show you how I apply this on camera. Just pull this out. So, here's my iPhone. And now I'm just going to go ahead and pull this thing off. I'm going to do this one-handed here. So, just hold this right here. And as you can see, unbox this. Sorry guys, doing this one-handed. As you can see, my iPhone case is broke. Then just slips in here like so. Oh, I guess this is so hard to attach. Sorry guys, I'm trying to figure this out still, so you gotta make sure this matches the holes. You can see this iPhone case and live with this show, so hold on, I'm gonna have to try doing this off camera, so there we go. There we go, I just applied it. Camera focus, please. Focus camera. Alrighty, I just applied the case. My new iPhone case. Just make sure these are in properly. Alrighty guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing video. Thank you for watching. So for now, have a very nice day. Bye-bye.
Hey, you made it to the end of this video. To watch the next video, click on the video on the right, or the previous video, the video on the left. Follow me on Apple1221 on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Have a very nice day. Bye-bye.